Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two fans. So here I've got the Lasko wind machine, and this is the XPOWER. This is model number P230AT air mover. So I really do like this one. It's a smaller profile. It puts out a really concentrated airflow. The Lasko's nice. It's kind of a bigger circular airflow, but this one has a built-in extension cord on the side. So once it's plugged in, it's got a 10-foot cord. The Lasko has about a 6.5-foot cord. Now both of them are super simple to operate. This one actually has a timer built in. So if you want this, say you want to clean some carpet, but you want it to shut off after 3 hours, just turn it to the 180 minutes and it'll shut off automatically. It's like a timer. Or just leave it in the on position and it'll stay on as long as you've got the switches on. So I've got one, low, medium, and high. Now that's a very concentrated flow. Now I got a little kickstand for this. I can also tilt it back, put it on and have it directed up there. So the air just comes out in this little pattern. On the Lasko, around back, it's a very simple 3-position switch. You're gonna turn, rotate. There's high, medium, and low. There's high. I can rotate the fan up or down, kind of point it down. This one's super lightweight. This one's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's kind of really concentrated. Again, the Lasko is more of a general fan pointing that way. This one's more concentrated, but you can really direct the airflow right where you need it. Let's go over measurements real quick. XPOWER, it's about 13 inches tall. Front to back is about 13. Left to right's about 10. The Lasko is quite a bit taller, right around 24, 25, left to right, and front to back's about 7. So a little bit different, but I hope this comparison video shows you how they're different. I actually like both fans, but they are just a little bit different. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.